Good morning, everyone. But today we have to understand two features of Excel, which comes under what if analysis. What if analysis means agar if this will be the situation, then what will happen, and if this will be the situation, then what will happen. So we will be doing two features of what if analysis today. One is goal seek feature and one is scenario manager. Goal seek. Let us start with the goal seek feature first. Goal seek feature means, like for example, if you are having the marks of let's say 3 or 4 or any n number of subjects for 3 or 4 semesters, and you know that total percentage which you are going to score is 75. This is your target, you can say. So your target is आपको हर subject में total 75% चाहिए at least. तो मतलब एटलीस्ट 75% यू वांट, तो उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकती है, बट मिनिमम टारगेट हम लेके चलते हैं कि एटलीस्ट आई वांटेड टू स्कोर इन ईच सब्जेक्ट, आई वांटेड टू स्कोर एटलीस्ट 75 मार्क्स, ठीक है, और 75%. तो आई नो माय परसेंटेज विल बी 75, ठीक है. तो अभी उसके लिए आपको ये सोचना है, बिकॉज लेट्स से आप ऑलरेडी 3 सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम्स दे चुके हो एंड 4th सेमेस्टर इज लेफ्ट, एंड नाउ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट कि हाउ मच यू नीड इन 4th सेमेस्टर सो दैट यू कैन अचीव योर टारगेट. आपका टारगेट कंप्लीट हो सके, आप 75% ला सको, उसके लिए आपको कितने मार्क्स और चाहिए 4th सेमेस्टर में सो दैट यू कैन अचीव योर टारगेट. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट द टोटल एंड परसेंटेज बाय फॉर्मूला. So here we will apply the formula equals to sum bracket start sum of all these 4 semesters, and percentage will be equals to marks secured divide by total होता है तो divide by 400 होना चाहिए, है ना, and multiply by 100. But 400 and 100, 400 से divide कर रहे हैं और 100 से multiply कर रहे हैं, तो even I can also write divide by 4 simply. ठीक है, so this will be the percentage. Now I will drag it to calculate for rest of the subjects. Okay, now I need to calculate how much marks I need to secure in 4th semester so that my percentage could be 75. This can be done with the help of goal seek feature. Now to apply goal seek feature, we will go to the data tab, go to what if analysis and go to goal seek. Now here you have, it is asking you, this dialog box is asking you total 3 questions. Set value, वो पूछ रहा है कौन से सेल की वैल्यू को सेट करना है. So I wanted to set the value of this cell to what value? So it should be 75 by changing which cell, और कौन से सेल की वैल्यू को चेंज करना है. So I wanted to do the changes in this cell. And okay, so it will calculate for you that if you will score 77 marks in 4th semester, then your total percentage will be 75. So like this you can calculate ki if you will have 77 marks in 4th semester, then only your percentage will be 75. So like this, if you will cancel it, तो आपको पता चल गया कि दिस इज योर टारगेट, आपको आईटी में 77 स्कोर करना है, और यू कैन प्रेस ओके कि दिस मच मार्क्स आई वांटेड टू स्कोर. अगर आप कैंसिल करोगे तो वापस जो पहले वाला ब्लैंक था वो आ जाएगा. दैट इज योर चॉइस हाउ यू वांट. ठीक है, नाउ सेम रूल वी विल अप्लाई हियर आल्सो. व्हाट इफ एनालिसिस, गोल सीक. नाउ दिस टाइम वी हैव टू सेट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस सेल to 75 by changing this cell. Okay, now in accounts, if I score 70 marks, then only my percentage will be 75, right? Now for business studies, one by one only we can do, we cannot apply it for all the cells together, and we cannot even drag it because यहाँ पर जो फॉर्मूला है वो ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट, मतलब ये हम यहाँ पे गोल सीक फीचर अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, हम फॉर्मूला नहीं लगा रहे कि हम उसको ड्रैग करें और वो रेस्ट ऑफ द सेल्स की भी वैल्यू शो कर दे. ठीक है, तो नाउ आई वांटेड टू सेट दिस सेल to 75 by changing this cell. Okay, so now if I score 74 marks, then only I will, the business in business studies, if I'll get 74 marks, then only I can have 75%. So like this, you can set your target and you can do the calculations that how much marks you require to complete your target. This is known as goal seek feature. Next is now scenario manager. Scenario manager means like if like आप business purpose के लिए आपको आपने एक product बनाया and you want to know कि अगर मैं इस product को 2005 में अगर इसकी इतनी सेल्स थी 2006 में इतनी थी तो मुझे कितनी इंक्रीज करनी है या कितनी डिक्रीज करनी है या मेरी कौन से ईयर की सेल्स जो थी वो बेस्ट सेल्स थी and I wanted to make a graph for that or maybe some type of comparisons you want to create, so that can be done with the help of scenario manager if you have different cases. Like here I have different cases. I have a product jiska cost price 82 rupees hai and selling price is 75 rupees. So I need to calculate the profit and loss, and I don't want to calculate profit and loss only in this case. I have 4 more different cases in which I have different selling price and different cost price, and I wanted to calculate on the basis of each and every case. And then I wanted to generate maybe a summary or maybe a pictorial representation for everything. So this could be done with the help of scenario manager. अब इसको कैसे यूज करना है? First we will apply the formula of profit and loss. तो जो भी है कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा, profit and loss कैसे होता है? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा cost price था 82 and selling price हमारा 75 था, तो it means we are in loss of minus 7 rupees. ठीक है. But now I have 4 different cases. Again, with all the cases I wanted to calculate, will it be a profit or a loss? So for this, first we will select the data which will vary in every case. So cost price and selling price will vary in every case. So I will select only this data, cost price and selling price. Then go to what if analysis, go to scenario manager. Now, one by one, you have to add the cases here. So click on add scenario name. This is case A. केस ए में चेंजिंग सेल बताना है आपको. चेंजिंग सेल मैंने ऑलरेडी सेलेक्ट कर रखे हैं, तो ये यहाँ पे यही दिखा रहा है कि A1 से लेके B2 तक ऑल आर द चेंजिंग सेल, मतलब यहाँ पे वैल्यूज जो है वो चेंज हो रही है, तो दिस इज करेक्ट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस इन फर्स्ट केस? द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 80 and selling price is 70. Now I wanted to add one more case. This is case B. In case B, cost price is 72 and selling price is 90. Add one more case, case C. This time the cost price is 80 and selling price is 85. Add one more case. You can add n number of cases as per your requirement. So right now the last case, case D. Cost price this time is 80 and selling price is 65. Okay, now we have added all the cases, so we can press on OK button now. Now all the cases are added. Now what you want a summary of this or you want something else? So I want a summary of this. Now it is asking you want it in a tabular form or a graphical form, or you just want to make a summary table for this. So I will select summary, scenario summary I want. By changing which cell, तो resultant cell मतलब आपको बताना है कि जहां पर आपका आंसर आ रहा है. So आंसर हमारा B3 में आ रहा है. So I will click on this cell. Automatically it will take the address of the cell and press OK. So automatically this representation will come जिसमें आपको बता रहा है कि your current value of cost price was 82 and selling price was 75. You were in loss of 7 rupees. In case A, you were having cost price 80, selling price 70, so you were having loss of 10 rupees. In case 3, you are in profit of 18 rupees. In case C, you are having a profit of 5 rupees, and in case D, you are having a profit of minus 15 rupees. So now you can decide easily that what will be the cost price, or maybe if you are going to launch a product, so you can decide easily कि अगर मैं ये cost price और ये selling price रखता हूँ तो what will be my profit, what will be my loss. So accordingly you can put a cost price and selling price, or whatever you want to do the analysis according to this table, you can do that analysis easily. So basically scenario manager is useful if you are having n number of cases and in each case you want to know that you are in profit or maybe you are in loss, or maybe it is useful like आपके पास आपकी कंपनी ने 2016 में कुछ प्रॉफिट मतलब जो भी टोटल आपने इन्वेस्ट किया और आपका जो भी प्रॉफिट हुआ उसका आपने डिफरेंस निकाला, ठीक है, this much you have invested and this is your profit, so you were in loss in 2016 or not. So ऐसे आपने different 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21 तक का टेबल का एक ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बना ली, so that you can get to know कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कौन से ईयर में हुआ था. So it will be easier for you to analyze the data according to what if analysis using scenario manager. I hope it is clear to everyone what is goal seek feature and what is scenario manager.